Howdy folks, Jethro coming to you live from Redwater Dodge, home of the world famous rig ready Rams. And now we buy your Ram and the brand new rig ready approved, so everyone gets approved. I'm standing beside this beautiful white 2024 Ram 1500 Sport. I just like to go and show you guys a few of the features under the hood here. We never talk about it that much. Let's take a look together. So I'll pop the hood here, pop this up here. So this is your V8 HEMI. It's got the e-torque, which is basically your hybrid. It's a bigger alternator, if you will, and charges everything up. A lot of people always ask us, does this vehicle come with a block heater? And yes, absolutely it does. And where you find those block heaters, cord is right here behind your air filter, just nestled right there. There's a little piece of Velcro, locks right in there. Another thing, a lot of people ask us, what are things that they can do under the engine themselves? Well, Dodge Ram has done an awesome job of basically making anything yellow something that you can check yourself. You got your windshield washer fluid right here. Sorry, this is windshield washer fluid. This is your radiator fluid here. You got your brake fluid there and your engine oil. That's it. If it's not yellow, don't touch it. Leave it alone. Bring it in for us. We got professionals that know what they're doing, so definitely make sure you bring it in if something's wrong. But you know what? You need to top up your windshield washer fluid or your radiator fluid or anything. And then I get one more thing here. People always ask me about this little button right here. That little button right there is the safety button so that your vehicle won't car start by itself. You know, you're working on it, maybe checking the oil or something like that. Someone hits the button. If this is pushed up, the car starter won't work. The hood has to be down right here, latches on there, and then your car starter works. We have tons of deals right now down in Redwater Dodge. We're very knowledgeable folks. You got any questions or comments, come on down or give me a call. I'm Jethro, 780-942-3629. Give us a call.